Back to my show, where it's so easy, it's crazy, brother. Let's go. Today, I'm gonna teach you the secret on how to make crispy pork belly, brother. Bam, look at that piece of meat, man. That gorgeous looking piece of meat. We gonna turn this into crispy pork belly, brother. Bam, 3 points in the pot, throw in some water in that motherfucker, man. Fill that up. Throw in some pepper, some salt. Wipe that motherfucking table, man, cause you don't wanna get in trouble. Take the meat off the heat. Put it on a plate, man. Salt that meat skin. Make sure you tap that in. Sun dry for 12 hours. Take that motherfucking salt off after 12 hours, man. Damn. Take that motherfucking meat. Put it on the goddamn tray. Put that meat tray inside a turbo broiler. Close that motherfucking lid, brother. Put that in 1 hour. Make sure you put that heat 100 Celsius. Make sure you clean that banana leaf on the fire, man, because the fire kills the germs, and the germs kills you, if you know what I mean, but anyway, salt that motherfucking fish, man. After you salt that fish, caress that fish for a little bit, then boom, bam! You don't want to get hurt with that motherfucker, man. You gonna put the fish out there in the hot oil, man. After you put that fish in the hot oil, you gotta prepare them other ingredients out there, man. Out here, some tomatoes, some calamansi, some chili, some salted eggs. Bam, brother. Look at that thing. So good, bro. Take that meat off the motherfucking turbo broiler, brother. You see that motherfucker, man? Looks hella dried up. You want to put that in a pan. Pour some hot oil in that motherfucker and say magic unfold before your eyes, bro. Check it. This motherfucking pork belly skin went from 0 to 100, man. From dried up to extra crispy delicious, brother. Damn. The secret to this technique is you gotta dry up that meat as far as you can, then douse in hot oil, then boom, you got that crispy skin, bro. Damn, not bad for the price of 250 pesos, brother.
Let's go! Durugin muna natin. No.
Sarap. Normal lang talaga.
Sarap ng ano, no? Galunggong. Galagaling din galalo ni pancake eh.
Ginagawa niyo rin ba yung ginagawa ko na kukuha kong bihon, tapos kakain ng kanin? Sama ng pansit.
Sarap kaya yun.
Spaghetti, yun ang ginagawa kong ulam yun eh.
May kanin?
Damn.
Paano ba yung masarap na pagkain? Parang spaghetti, no? Sarap ng kanin. Ka-rice na yan, nandun
nasanay yung dati, nag-experiment siya sa iba't ibang rice. Ganun siya. Tapos dumating si Doña Maria. So yun ang rice namin. Tapos everyday yan ang rice namin. Maya-maya lumabas kami, kumain kami sa labas, tapos nag-rice siya ng iba. Hindi niya nagustuhan. Hindi niya nagustuhan.
Parang may ibang amoy kasi.
Tapos
may amoy ba yun?
Naisip ko, look, Doña Maria na yung panlasa mo. Hasponica.
The best rice there is.
So good. Please hit the subscribe and like button, brothers and sisters, because next time we're about to cook a horse.